In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Instagram feed app on your Weebly website. This process is straightforward and can greatly enhance your website by seamlessly integrating dynamic visual content from Instagram. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to connect your Weebly site with engaging Instagram feeds, making your site visually appealing and interactive. To start, you'll need to visit elfsite.com. This website offers a variety of easy-to-use widgets, one of which is the Instagram feed widget that we'll be using. On the Elfsite website, you'll create a widget specifically for your Instagram feed. You'll find that there are various customization options to tailor the widget to perfectly match the style and aesthetic of your website. Once you've crafted the widget to your satisfaction, it's time to publish it. After publishing, you'll see an option labeled Install. Clicking this will generate an embed code. This is the crucial piece of code that will bridge the connection between Elfsite and your Weebly site. Go ahead and copy this embed code to your clipboard because you'll be using it shortly. Next, head over to your Weebly site editor. Once logged in, navigate to the very top of the interface, where you'll see the Build option. This is fundamental because under this tab, you'll gain access to a range of elements that are essential for constructing and customizing your site. On the left panel, you will see a list of these elements that you can easily drag and drop onto your site. Look for the embed code element within this list. Click and hold to drag this element and drop it anywhere on your page where you want the Instagram feed to appear. Whether it's on your home page or a specific section within your site, you have the flexibility to position it just right to maximize visibility and engagement. Once you've placed the embed code element, click on it. A text box will appear, prompting you to insert your code. Here, paste the embed code that you previously copied from Elfsite. After pasting the code, give it a moment. It might take a few seconds, but soon, the Instagram feed you set up on Elfsite will begin to load and display beautifully on your Weebly site. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded an Instagram feed into your Weebly website using Elfsite. This method allows you to efficiently integrate engaging social media content, which can captivate your site's visitors and keep your website fresh and up to date with your latest Instagram posts. Thank you for following along, and happy embedding!